Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to Cronus Zen. First, ensure you have a GameSir G7 SE controller, a Cronus Zen device, a USB cable for wired connection, and the Cronus Zen latest firmware installed. Now, connect Cronus Zen to the PC. Then, open Cronus Zen Studio software. Here, check for firmware updates and update if available. Next, plug GameSir G7 SE into the Cronus Zen USB port. After that, use the Type-C cable supplied with the controller. GameSir G7 SE has multiple modes like X input, like Xbox or PC, D input, and switch. Now, set the controller to the X input mode for the best compatibility with Cronus Zen. On Cronus Zen Studio, select your connected device. Next, go to the device monitor and ensure Cronus Zen detects the GameSir G7 SE. The device should show as a controller connected. You can load scripts, macros, or game packs for your game via Cronus Zen Studio. Then, assign the slots as needed. Further, use Zen's main USB port to connect your console, such as Xbox, PS, or Switch. Press the mode or console button on Zen to select your console. Cronus Zen will relay the controller input to the console. Next, launch a game. Check all buttons, triggers, and sticks. Make sure input is responsive. If not, reconnect the controller and reboot Cronus Zen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.